Now we assemble all the fittings onto the bike. So the fittings means the gas tank, the seats, pedals, mirrors, and you see the small hard wheels and the fuel cock, and also the toolings we will need for these fittings assembled to the bikes. So first we put the gas tank onto so the gas tank already mount onto the frame, and then put the shut-off cock valves, shut-off valves into the tank.
I see.
40mm wrench, tied the nut to fix the cock onto the gas tank, and then put the gas hose and put it on. So it's ready to the gas tank can connect with the gas hose to the carburetor already. Okay, this is the complete. And second, we put the seats onto the bike. So pretty easy to assemble these fittings onto the bike. So we put all the assembly videos together. So like this, you can see. Then okay, now we put the mirrors onto the control. Yeah. Now we just show you how to assemble the mirrors. onto the right hand left hand control. Okay, and later you can adjust the mirrors. Okay. Okay, now we put the pedals on pedal crank. Use 15mm wrench. Yeah. Do the same process to the right hand side. Okay, now the complete bike is almost assembled like this. 看看我会变数。